Diameter. Radius and diameter. Today is March 10th. Okay, so we have for chapter 8, we have 3 definitions for sure that you need to know. The first one is circle. Okay, the definition of a circle is the set of all points that are the set of all points that are an equal distance from the center point. Okay, all right. If we talk about that distance, from the center to the edge of the circle, we're now talking about what's called the radius. Okay, the radius is the distance from the center point. Here we are. Distance from the center point to the circle. As you can see, the edge of the circle. Right? So just from the center point to the edge of the circle. Right? If we were to create a line from one side of the circle to the other and go through the center, that would be what is known as the diameter. Okay, so the radius doubled. If you continue a radius all the way across, it's called a diameter. All right, so the definition for diameter is distance from side to side through the center point. Okay, the distance from side to side through the center point. Okay, so the radius, if we knew the diameter and we needed to find the radius, how could I find the radius, Jamie? Okay, diameter divided by 2. What's another way we can find radius? Instead of dividing by 2, we can multiply what, Isabel?
We would do it times 1/2.
Good. 1/2 times the diameter would also work. Okay, so those are some formulas for you. If you're looking for the diameter and you know the radius, what do? Marissa? The radius times 2. We're going to simplify that to be 2r. 2 would become your coefficient, 2r. The compass, how are we going to use it? The compass opening, okay, when you open the compass, okay, the distance between the point and the pencil is your radius. So that's why the compass opening is the radius of the circle. And what I want you to do is when you're creating a circle, I want you to start by making the radius. Okay? So if we were going to make a radius, you're going to use your ruler, and I want you to make a line that's 2 inches long. Okay? So I want you to make a line that's 2 inches. All right? And call it r equals 2 inches. Put a point on one of the ends of the line. I'm actually going to move my point to over here because it's closer to the center of my screen. So whatever side's closer to the center, all right, and make sure you label your radius 2 inches. R equals 2 inches. I'm sorry, mine's not working. All right, then you're going to put your point of your compass on that point, and you'll move your pencil to the other end. Okay, and it looks like there's a dot on my side where the pencil is. You don't need that. So your point has to go on the center point. The pencil goes on the other edge. Okay, so this way you don't even have to use your ruler with your compass. All right, and then you'll just go ahead and you'll draw a circle. You can move your circle, your paper if you want. Okay, I would certainly not grip your pencil too tight or your compass too tight. So it helps kind of tilt it over to the side. All right. Go ahead and draw your circle.
Yeah, it's huge.
Okay.